Your knees ache when you climb stairs. Your hands tingle when you hold the phone. And your skin? It's getting thinner, looser, more fragile. Most people think it's just aging. But the truth is, your body is running low on something critical: collagen. After 60, your natural collagen production drops dramatically. By 65, you could have already lost over 30% of it. That's why your joints stiffen, your muscles weaken, and your nerves start misfiring. But there's good news. You can rebuild collagen naturally. And it starts, not in a supplement bottle, but in your kitchen. Today, we're counting down 8 science-backed superfoods that help restore collagen, reduce pain, and bring life back to your joints, skin, and muscles. And number 3? It's so powerful it's being used in rehab centers to heal tendons and nerves. Before we begin, do you feel it more in your knees, or your hands? Let us know in the comments, we read every one. Let's start with number 8. 8. Purple cabbage. This colorful veggie is a collagen defender in disguise. It's packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down. It also delivers vitamin C, a key nutrient your body needs to produce collagen in the first place. Just 1 cup of shredded purple cabbage gives you more than half your daily vitamin C needs. Toss it raw into salads or slaws for the best results. Cooking it too long can destroy its benefits. 7. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds carry massive power for your joints. They're rich in zinc, copper, and magnesium, 3 minerals your body absolutely needs to build and maintain collagen. Zinc, in particular, helps stimulate fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen fibers strong and elastic. Just a handful daily can help reduce joint stiffness, especially in your hands, knees, and hips. Snack on them plain, or sprinkle onto oatmeal, soup, or salads. 6. Carrots. They're not just for eyesight. Carrots are full of beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A nutrient essential for collagen production and skin renewal. Vitamin A also protects existing collagen from environmental damage, like sun exposure and pollution. If your skin bruises easily or your joints feel dry, carrots can help. Eat them raw, roasted, or blended into smoothies for a sweet, nutrient-packed boost. 5. Shiitake mushrooms. These mushrooms are more than gourmet, they're therapeutic. Shiitakes contain copper, a rare but essential mineral for collagen cross-linking, making it more stable and resistant to wear and tear. They also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help soothe joint pain and nerve irritation. Add them to stir-fries or soups for a savory, healing boost. 4. Avocados. Creamy, rich, and surprisingly powerful for collagen health. Avocados are high in vitamin E, healthy fats, and glutathione, a master antioxidant that protects your collagen from oxidative stress. They also help your body absorb other fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin K, which directs calcium to the bones, not the joints, where it can build up and cause stiffness. Half an avocado a day can support skin elasticity and joint flexibility naturally. 3. Bone broth. If you've been told you're low on collagen, this is your natural solution. Bone broth is loaded with gelatin, glycine, and proline, the very building blocks your body uses to make collagen. It's like sipping liquid repair for your joints, skin, and ligaments. Studies have shown daily bone broth consumption improves joint function and reduces stiffness in older adults. Use it as a soup base, sip it warm with herbs, or cook your grains in it for extra nutrition. 2. Kiwi. This small fuzzy fruit is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, even more than oranges. Vitamin C is critical for activating the enzymes that build and repair collagen. Kiwi also contains vitamin K and serotonin, helping with circulation, healing, and even sleep, which is when most tissue repair happens. Enjoy 1 kiwi with breakfast or as a post-meal dessert. Your joints and skin will thank you. 1. Watercress. You've probably seen it, but never eaten it. This peppery green is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It contains chlorophyll, vitamin A, C, and K, plus calcium and trace minerals, all of which support collagen formation, oxygen flow, and tissue strength. In one clinical study, older adults who added watercress to their diets reported less joint pain and improved skin elasticity in just weeks. Toss it into salads, stir it into scrambled eggs, or blend into smoothies. It's a hidden healing gem. So if your hands are tingling, your knees are stiff, or your skin is starting to sag, don't blame age alone. Blame collagen loss, and fix it with food. These 8 collagen-boosting foods aren't expensive, and they don't require pills or powders. They're natural, powerful, and backed by science. Start with 1. Add it to your meals daily. And within weeks, your joints, muscles, and skin will begin to feel younger, from the inside out. Down finger. So what will you try first, watercress or bone broth? Tell us in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to Senior Health Kitchen. We post weekly videos to help you stay strong, steady, and vibrant, at every age. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.